To all the fathers, the one who speaks softly and the one who doesn't speak much at all, the one who shows love in words and the one who shows it in sacrifice, the father who wake up early, sleep late and carry responsibilities no one else sees, the father who never say I love you but make sure you never lack it, the one who try even when they don't always get it right, the one who stayed, the ones who showed up again and again. Even when life is heavy, even when life have always been heavy, we see you. And this is for you today. This is me wishing all the father out there happy Father's Day. We see the efforts, we see the pressure, we see the love, even when it's quiet. Because now we understand, not all love is always loud. Thank you, Father, for always being the one for me. Thank you, Dad.